Here I have Samsung Galaxy M32, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So, if you notice that your device works a bit slowly lately, and you probably have a lot of opened apps, you can see them all here by tapping on this Recent button. Here you can see all of your opened apps. If you have a lot of them, they will definitely slow down the work of your device. Maybe just a bit, maybe more. So what you can do about it, you can just tap on this button, close all, and after that you will turn off all of the running apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.